In the bustling heart of Youngsville, Louisiana, where every project and event brings its own unique challenges, there's a solution that stands out, transforming how we approach cleanliness and efficiency. Welcome to DumpIt.Biz, your premier choice for dumpster rentals and portable toilets, leading the way to a cleaner, more organized Youngsville. At DumpIt.Biz, we're committed to creating streamlined services for our clients. Whether you're managing a large construction project or planning a community event, our goal is to ensure your waste management needs are met with precision and reliability. Imagine the simplicity and efficiency of having your waste management needs handled with just a few clicks. Once you've scheduled a dumpster rental or portable toilet service with us, we take care of the rest. From timely delivery to seamless pickup, we automate the necessary actions, freeing you to focus on the success of your project or event. In a world where clear communication is key, DumpIt.Biz ensures you're never bogged down by complicated processes. With our dedicated team just a call or click away, coordinating your dumpster rental or portable toilet service is as easy as it gets, ensuring a hassle-free experience from start to finish. Embrace a smarter, more efficient way to manage your waste disposal and sanitation needs with DumpIt.Biz. We're not just a service, we're your partner in making Youngsville, Louisiana, and beyond, a cleaner, more sustainable place for everyone. DumpIt.Biz. For a cleaner, more efficient Youngsville, Louisiana. Call us today at 337-552-5009 or visit www.dumpit.biz to start your free consultation. Together, we can make a significant impact, one dumpster and portable toilet at a time.